Hi viewers, today I am travelling by a Vistadome coach, which is newly launched by Southwestern Railway. They are providing the service between Mangalore to Bangalore. These coaches were specially designed for the tourists to enjoy the view while travelling, particularly the beauty of Western Ghats. Come on, let's check its specialities. It has large windows and glass roof panels. It has Wi-Fi facility and CCTV. They have concealed food trays that can be opened up. The coach has mini pantry with hot cases, micro oven, refrigerator and coffee maker. There is a observatory lounge where you can enjoy the scenery. The coach can travel up to 180 km speed. The seats are flexible and rotate 360 degrees. The entire journey was a luxurious one. The fare is around 1500. Let's watch some beautiful sceneries. The beauty of Western Ghats was mind-blowing. We crossed more than 56 tunnels during the journey. This was the most satisfying journey that I never had before. Really, I don't have any words to explain the beauty of Western Ghats. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.